Can we get in? Can we get in, sir? Let's go. Obiak wisata Tirta Empul. Hey, look what I found. What's the name of the holiday in Balinese, Bali language?
Bali language?
Yeah, the name of this holiday.
There's a special ceremony.
So what's the ceremony? Ceremony name?
It's the full moon.
Full moon ceremony.
Yeah,
Okay.
full moon ceremony.
So we're at the entrance of Tirta Empul. So we can't get this one wet.
Yes.
Not wet. So when we go in the water,
No.
No water?
we take this
Inside,
off.
you go in the water, yeah?
Yes.
In the locker, yeah.
Okay.
You rent 10%.
I see.
Aha.
This special go to 10%.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Look at us.
예뻐. 예쁘다.
Yeah, yellow's my color. So we do have our dry sarongs on, but apparently we also have to rent our wet sarongs. Buying the wet sarong. Why we don't use all of the water?
Because for every fountain they have a different meaning there.
So we'll follow everyone else.
Yeah,
Don't just go
follow
to
the
the-
lines there.
Okay.
Okay.
Because like number
That's true,
11 in Solam is special only proclamation ceremony.
I see.
Okay.
Yes.
And that's how you put on a sarong. Okay,
It's really comfortable.
it's quite
One
comfortable.
cotton. You don't need a bunch of clothes.
Yeah, mine might fall off though. It's a bit loose.
그래?
You look much better than me. Okay, moment of truth. It's really cold. Just do it, it doesn't matter. Refreshing. Not only my body, but also my soul. I think he dunked his head 11 times that time. Maybe that's 'cause it's November. 수고했어. 깨끗해? So we've discovered the source of the holy water. It looks like there's some kind of hot spring.
Oh, but the water was cold.
Yeah. Is the water all coming from this pond? I heard someone in line say that they came all the way from their home country just to do this. Just to visit this temple. Or to bathe in the holy spring. So clearly this holds some importance for people when they think of Bali and Ubud. This is the place they think of. We found a koi pond. Not the only one. 잡으세요. Big boy. Big boys. There you go. Hi. 이름은요? 줘봐.
안 먹어.
안 먹어? 먹어.
I gave him.
그래?
네.
Are you spoiled mangy dog?
없어. 아, 이렇게 먹어?
Ah.
아, you picky dog.
Feed me,
You picky dog.
This made his day. Welcome to Tegenungang waterfall. Normal waterfall. Time for swim starts from 8 to 6 during the rainy season. Same like brown sugar. I don't know what that means. Almost just 40,000. It's still really hot out, so this was our idea to cool down the natural way. Oh, later after I swim. Whoa. What do we have here?
시원하겠다.
There it is.
와, 진짜 시원하겠다.
Wow.
와, 진짜.
So we gotta get down there though. Tegenungang. There's quite a few steps down. This jungle is so thick you hardly pay attention to individual trees, but if you just stop and look, there's all kinds. It looks like even they've taken care to plant these in certain order, as this is a tourist attraction. There's some actual landscaping done. I'm looking at the waterfall and seeing beer.
I think after having swim, it's gonna be so cool and
Yeah.
cold. But on the way back home, you're gonna sweat a lot.
Oh, it's not the rainy season, but the water is still a bit murky, muddy.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is where you clean up afterwards. How about before? Should we rinse off? Oh, we don't really need to rinse off before. But I kind of want to go for it. Yeah, you want to put your feet in? This gave me like a dirty look because I put my shoe in. This is pure spring water. If the music tells me anything, it tells me there should be beer. And or Red Bull. I'm feeling all these. I love Bali, so kiss my ass, lick it, you bullshit, say hello. Alright, I have no idea how deep this goes and how fast. So I'm gonna try not to drop this thing. Mauritia. Yeah, now it's summer. Oh wait, no it's not. It's November 25th. 안녕하세요. 우리 발리에 있어서
여기 너무 시원하다.
죄송합니다. 부럽죠. This is where we are. 시원해지? I'm in the middle of a raging torrent and this woman's coming to save me. Here she comes. Here she comes. 물은 빠르는데 안 기뻐요. 그렇지 않아?
빨라.
나 뒤빼러.
아, 그래? 오, 자기다 무서워.
그래? Oh, ow. Probably should have worn shoes for this. Random mountain goat. What are you doing here? Nah. Okay, we have one giant coconut. She wants to sell us 4 coconuts, right? Wow. That's the biggest. It's big. You grow it here?
Yeah.
It's grown in Ubud or in this area?
In Bali.
In Bali, somewhere in Bali. Oh. Oh, 맛있겠다.
Spoon. Ah, spoon.
No, monkey way, natural. Oh, fresh coconut. It's fantastic. Slippery. 어때?
시원해.
Coconut Jongja. Coconut Jongja.
You're not gonna use this, right?
We'll see.